So guys, first of all, fix your physical health. For that you need to do basic exercises like squats, pull-ups, go on a bike ride, walk 8,000 steps daily, or you may also go on mountain climbing. Also push-ups, pull-ups, your body weight is the best way to keep you healthy. Bonus point is if you like weights, you may go to gym and work out. Secondly, you need to fix your metabolic health. For that, first of all, you need to prioritize protein, healthy fats, electrolytes, and spring water. Then eat fruits, vegetables, or fermented dairy products. Thirdly, you need to fix your mind. For that, you need to read the book, write a blog, and yes, journal. Don't limit you to a little you know. Yeah, I can give you a tip to read books on personal finance, growth, science, great novels, biographies. Fourthly, you need to fix your emotions. First of all, acknowledge that you are human being and you need to fix your emotions, like how to deal with your emotions. For that, you need to meditate, forgive people, and learn to let go of with ease. Make peace with your past. You need to be at peace with yourself to progress in your life. Fifthly, you need to fix your inner circle. 90% of your decisions are influenced by your inner circle. Your inner circle should discuss about your family, investments, and success. You don't need any friend who gossip, complains, or blame others. You become what you stay around. And lastly, you need to develop a skill. A skill which can pay you anywhere. Dedicate 60 minutes a day to a skill that will pay you. For that, you can learn copywriting, how to invest, and digital marketing. And lastly, use these skills to build a side hustle.